Imagine a world where technology was thought to be simple tools. Yet, buried in the Mediterranean for 2 millennia, lies a device that defies this notion, challenging our understanding of ancient knowledge. Discovered off the coast of Greece in 1901, this mysterious artifact is known as the Antikythera Mechanism. Its complexity has puzzled experts for over a century, revealing secrets from the ancient world. Recovered from the wreck of a Roman-era cargo ship, this device dates back to around 100 BCE. It's believed to have been crafted by Greek scientists, showcasing their advanced technical skills. Initially dismissed as a corroded lump of bronze, the mechanism gained attention when it was noticed to contain gears. This realization sparked intense interest among archaeologists and historians alike. Using sophisticated imaging techniques, researchers have uncovered its purpose. A complex analog computer designed to predict astronomical positions and eclipses with remarkable accuracy. Comprising over 30 gears and intricate dials, this device represents a pinnacle of ancient engineering. Its craftsmanship reveals a deep understanding of mathematics and astronomy. This discovery challenges our perceptions of technological progress, suggesting that the ancient Greeks were far more advanced than previously believed. It reshapes our understanding of history. Today, researchers continue to study the Antikythera Mechanism, using cutting-edge technology to uncover new insights. Each discovery brings us closer to unlocking its full potential. Understanding such an advanced device from antiquity opens doors to rethinking our approach to history and technology. What other marvels await discovery beneath the waves? The Antikythera Mechanism was discovered by sponge divers in 1901, near a shipwreck off the Greek island of Antikythera. Its gears and dials hint at an advanced knowledge of astronomy and mathematics. Initially thought to be just another bronze artifact, closer examination revealed intricate gears and inscriptions, suggesting it was much more complex than first believed. Modern imaging techniques like X-rays have helped researchers see inside the mechanism without damaging it, revealing its true complexity and purpose. The device could predict astronomical positions and eclipses, calculate the calendar, and even model the irregular motions of the moon. Its complexity is comparable to mechanical clocks developed over a millennium later, challenging our understanding of ancient technology. Scholars believe the Antikythera Mechanism was used for calendrical purposes, possibly by astronomers or navigators who needed precise calculations. The inscriptions on the mechanism provide clues to its function, mentioning cycles of the sun, moon, and planets. It could also predict lunar phases and the dates of future eclipses, demonstrating its precision and sophistication. Researchers have recreated the mechanism using modern tools, confirming its ability to accurately model celestial movements. Reconstructions show how the gears interact to simulate the complex orbits and movements of celestial bodies. The mechanism's discovery challenges assumptions about technological development in ancient civilizations, suggesting advanced knowledge. Its design shows a deep understanding of gear ratios and planetary motion, indicating sophisticated mathematical skills. The Antikythera Mechanism's complexity suggests it may have been part of a larger suite of scientific instruments. Its presence aboard a cargo ship implies it was valued and traded among intellectuals and scholars of the time. Further studies continue to uncover new details, potentially shedding light on other lost technologies from antiquity. Through ongoing research, scientists hope to fully understand the Antikythera Mechanism and its place in ancient history. This ancient device stands as a testament to the ingenuity and knowledge possessed by ancient civilizations, long before the Renaissance. The Antikythera Mechanism's precise engineering and detailed craftsmanship reflect the advanced technical skills of its creators. Each component of the mechanism, from the smallest gear to the largest dial, was meticulously designed and constructed. The mechanism's survival through centuries underwater has preserved its intricate details for modern researchers to study. Its discovery and subsequent analysis have opened new avenues for understanding ancient scientific achievements and their impact. By decoding the mechanism's functions, historians can piece together the knowledge and capabilities of ancient societies. This remarkable artifact serves as a window into the past, offering insights into the minds of ancient thinkers and their innovative creations. As research progresses, the Antikythera Mechanism continues to reveal new secrets, enriching our understanding of ancient science and technology. Advanced gear systems within the Antikythera Mechanism suggest an intricate understanding of astronomy and mechanics. Its complexity rivals that of clocks developed during the Renaissance, challenging perceptions of ancient technological capabilities. Through advanced imaging techniques, researchers discovered inscriptions on the mechanism's fragments. These texts provide crucial clues about its functions and origins, shedding light on its creator's knowledge and intentions. The mechanism's ability to predict celestial events, such as eclipses, demonstrates its sophistication. It was likely used for astronomical education or religious purposes, reflecting the importance of celestial observations in ancient Greek society. Despite extensive study, many mysteries remain unsolved. Scientists continue to explore the Antikythera Mechanism's full potential, uncovering new details that challenge our understanding of ancient technology and its impact on later developments. The Antikythera Mechanism continues to captivate historians and scientists, revealing ancient technological sophistication. Its complexity challenges our understanding of early civilizations. Unveiling its secrets requires interdisciplinary collaboration, blending archaeology, astronomy, and engineering. This device stands as a testament to human ingenuity across millennia. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the full scope of this ancient technology, inspiring modern inventors to push boundaries of what is possible. From predicting celestial events to aligning calendars, the Antikythera Mechanism exemplifies advanced knowledge in an era often underestimated by modern standards. Its legacy inspires ongoing research, demonstrating that ancient civilizations were far more technologically advanced than previously believed. As we uncover more about this ancient computer, it serves as a reminder of our shared heritage and the enduring quest for knowledge throughout human history. Through the lens of the Antikythera Mechanism, we see the brilliance of past generations and the potential for future innovation inspired by their achievements. This artifact invites us to explore further, to question assumptions about ancient capabilities, and to appreciate the vast tapestry of human invention. Join us in uncovering more about the Antikythera Mechanism and other archaeological wonders that continue to reshape our understanding of history. By supporting historical research and sharing these discoveries, we can preserve and celebrate the remarkable achievements of our ancestors for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Together, let's keep exploring the incredible stories hidden within the relics of our past.